Hi, shiny people. So, I'm pretty fed up with my neighbor criminally harassing me. I go to collect my groceries, and she calls me a whiny little bitch while she has her dog aggressively barking at me. Isn't that a great neighbor, people? Anyways, I thought I'd distract myself by making a salad. So, we're gonna start by cutting up this onion. And over here we have some stuff that's steaming. Actually, that's pretty done. That's done. Yeah, totally. So, got the onion, carrots, got these tomatoes that we're gonna have to wash. We're gonna need to run some cold water over this. Cold water. Okay. Probably a bit too wet. But oh well. Anyways. You like my salad bowl, by the way. Nice and aluminium. Aluminium. I know it's terrible. Aluminium is terrible for food. But I ordered a new one made of wood. Do we want that there? Yeah, sure. Might as well put that there. And we'll put that there for now. Okay, what were we going to do next? All right. Get some of these tomatoes. Yummy cherry tomatoes. And always wash your ingredients. Oh, I hate living here. Okay. Let's get some more tomatoes. This should be good. Now let's add, do we want to cut this onion up? We probably do. That's probably good. So, how is everyone doing? How's life treating you and all that stuff? And yes, these carrots are ready to eat. To be honest, I probably should have washed those carrots, even though they say ready to eat. Because I never trust that stuff. Yep. Right in the center, I suppose. Let's add a little bit more. I feel like there's other stuff that I was going to add, but I can't think of it. Oh, right, the avocados. The avocados are not ripe yet. So sadly, I cannot add the avocados. Add some pumpkin seeds. That should be good. And some Greek feta and kalamata. Yep, smells good. That's actually quite a bit of dressing. Oh well. Ta-da! Oh, no, not done yet. What we got here is flax meal. I love putting this stuff on salads. And one more ingredient. Over here, oh, wrong one. We have wheatgrass. There we go. Nice little sprinkle of it. with my cupboards, by the way. Ta-da! Panko. Forbidden rice. Should I add truffle oil? No, let's not add truffle oil. Okay, so that's my salad. Have a nice day, everybody. Don't forget that you are a shining person.